Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something a little different than my other videos because all my other videos have usually been about like skincare and beauty. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. So I was in Spain all of last week and I just got back last night, and while I was in Spain I did a little bit of like luxury shopping just because they have this like tax-free refund that you can get. So on all your luxury goods, if you're not a part of like the European Union and you're traveling from outside of the European Union and you happen to visit like one of the countries that are part of the EU, any luxury item that you purchase, you can like get your money back. So you like get the amount of tax money you spent on those purchases back at the airport before you leave. So I couldn't help myself and I ended up going into the Hermes store in Barcelona because that's where I was. I spent half my time in Barcelona and then I spent the other half in Madrid. And when I walked into the Hermes store in Barcelona, I ended up picking up this bag. I had been thinking about getting this bag for a little while, but I really didn't have my heart set on buying an Hermes bag while I was while I was away, because I was more kind of thinking about, okay, like I'm definitely going to get a Chanel bag, but when I went to the Chanel store in Barcelona, they really didn't have that much of a selection, except for like the classic like flat bags and boy bags, which is something I don't want because I already have a Chanel flat bag. So I ended up walking into Hermes and I ended up purchasing this bag. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys today. So as you can see, when I was traveling, it obviously came in a beautiful like orange Hermes shopping bag, but I ended up throwing the shopping bag away because it was taking too much room in my suitcase. So I ended up keeping the box and then the packaging with it. So as you can see, it is in this beautiful orange box, and I have not seen this bag since I was in Barcelona, so I have not opened it yet at all, as you can tell. So let's just do the opening here, take off the ribbon, and as you can see, it's in this orange, beautiful orange box. And then what I have on top, it seems like it's like a care booklet, instructions right here. Put that down, and then let's do this. And my bag is currently in the dust bag itself. So I'll put the box down, take my beautiful bag out. So right here in the dust bag, and then let's open it up. So I ended up purchasing the Hermes Evelyne 3. So this is the third generation in the PM size, and this is in the tan color, and it's with the Clemence leather. As you can see, it's like this kind of like pebbled leather. You can see it up close. So yes, again, like I got it in the PM size. What I wanted to do is give you guys a little bit of history about this bag. So this bag was originally created to be carried for tools used to like brush horses and clean horses. So this perforated H was meant to help like air out all like the tools and brushes that were stored inside of this bag, and it's meant to be worn actually on this side. I know like a lot of people wear it with the H on the outside, but actually it's meant to be worn this way. Either way, like I think it looks really cute to be worn either way. Most likely I will be wearing it with the H out, like out on the front. So that's how I'll be wearing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open it up. All right, and take all the stuffing out right here. And then, so if you can see, it comes with a strap. Oh, I also ended up getting the bag with the silver hardware. Here inside this little dust bag is the strap that comes with the bag. It is like a beautiful thick strap, and it is also with the silver hardware. It kind of reminds me of like a seatbelt strap almost, but just like obviously more luxurious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip on the straps. All right, clip that on. Ollie, no. Okay, clip this on. All right. So this is what the bag looks like with the strap on. As you can see, it is beautiful. And basically what's inside of the bag, it is kind of like the suede leather interior. There are no pockets on the inside of the bag. And also there is just one pocket on the outside of the bag right here. So let me just clip it back. So with this bag, I was deciding between, so this bag, okay, so let me back it up. So this bag comes in 3 different sizes. So there's a small size, which is called TPM, the medium size, which is the PM, which is the one I have, and then there is a larger size, which is the GM bag. I was deciding between the TPM and then the PM. I saw the sales associates inside the Hermes store. They all had their own like little TPM Evelyne bags, and I felt like it was a little too small for my liking, just because I like to carry a little bit more items, and I don't want to feel like restricted when I am out and about as to like what types of items I want to carry. So the TPM like is perfect for me. And on the straps, you can also see that it is stamped with the like Hermes, Paris made in France stamp right here. So let me just give you a quick like kind of like mod shot of like what it looks like on me. All right, so just to give you a quick reference, I am 5'4", and this bag kind of hits me like perfectly right at the waist. I might even like want to bring it up a little bit because the straps are adjustable, but it like is a perfect bag and it fits me like perfectly. I'm 5'4" again, so I really love it, and this will be like my new everyday bag. It's so versatile, so I'm very excited to use it. So that was my unboxing video of my new Hermes bag. This is my first Hermes bag I have purchased, and maybe in a little bit I will be able to provide you guys a review of just like my honest thoughts and my opinions about the bag, how useful it is, and how much it can fit in this bag after some time of me using it. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions for future videos, please leave it in the comment box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.